Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Psychology Introduction and Definitions. Psychology, derived from Greek words meaning soul and science, was originally considered the study of the soul by ancient Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. Due to the abstract nature of the soul, this definition faced challenges. Over time, psychology was seen as the science of the mind, and later as the science of behavior, especially with John B. Watson's introduction of behaviorism in the early 20th century. Prominent definitions include Edwin Boring, the science that studies human nature. Crow and Crow, the study of human behavior and relationships. Norman L. Munn, the study of both external behavior and internal processes. Woodworth, the study of activities of individuals in relation to their environment. Pillsbury, the science of human behavior. Skinner, the science of behavior and experience. Objective questions for TET exam. 1. The word psychology is derived from which two Greek words? A. Psyche and logos. B. Soma and logos. C. Pathos and logos. D. Soma and pathos uns. A. Psyche and logos. 2. According to ancient Greek philosophers, psychology was initially considered the science of what? A. Mind. B. Behavior. C. Soul. D. Relationships uns. C. Soul. 3. Who introduced behaviorism in the early 20th century? A. Sigmund Freud. B. B.F. Skinner. C. John B. Watson. D. Carl Rogers Uns. C. John B. Watson. 4. According to John B. Watson, what is the primary means to understand humans? A. Mind. B. Behavior. C. Soul. D. Relationships uns. B. Behavior. 5. Edwin Boring defined psychology as the science that studies what? A. Human behavior. B. Human nature. C. Human relationships. D. Human mind uns. B. Human nature. 6. According to Crow and Crow, psychology is the study of what? A. Human behavior and relationships. B. Human mind and nature. C. Human experience and emotions. D. Human soul and behavior uns. A. Human behavior and relationships. 7. Norman L. Munn stated that psychology studies what? A. External behavior and internal processes. B. Mind and body. C. Behavior and environment. D. Soul and nature uns. A. External behavior and internal processes. 8. According to Woodworth, Psychology is the science that studies what? A. Activities of individuals in relation to their environment. B. Mind and soul. C. Behavior and nature. D. Relationships and emotions. A. Activities of individuals in relation to their environment. 9. Pillsbury defined psychology as the science of what? A. Human experience. B. Human behavior. C. Human soul. D. Human mind. B. Human behavior. 10. According to Skinner, psychology is the science of what? A. Behavior and experience. B. Mind and soul. C. Behavior and nature. D. Relationships and emotions. A. Behavior and experience.